Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are doing a Fashionnova Black Friday try-on haul. I am loading up on all of my holiday essentials for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, for New Year's. Like right now is the time for you guys to snatch up all of your favorite pieces. And Fashionnova is having 50% to 90% off of their fashionnova.com website, which 90%, like at that point you're kind of getting it for free. I know a lot of us are very last minute, like me myself. I do a lot of things very last minute. They have super fast shipping, so you can even get your package overnight. I'll be linking everything down below so you guys can get all of the pieces that I'm showing you guys today on today's try-on haul at fashionnova.com. Run, because if you guys have ever shopped on Fashionnova, everything sells out in a snap. Like there's a lot of times where I'm just like, no, like I literally waited like 1 minute too long and now my favorite piece is gone. Everything is 50 to 90% off, so go get your deals. Along with Black Friday, they are also going to be having Cyber Monday, so you guys get double. It's going to be great. Don't miss out. I have quite a lot of things that I'm going to show you guys today, so I'm just going to jump right in. I do want to say thank you to Fashionnova for sponsoring today's video. You guys know that Fashionnova is an OG. Like, we've been loving them. This is the first piece. All these pieces that I'm showing you guys today, I got them because they're going to be perfect for every single holiday coming up. But don't worry, because I got things for all my girlies out there. Like, I got super comfy, I got comfy, I got very fancy, I got, you know, minimal stunt, and I got some jeans in there, and I have some like very extra like fluffy coats, so I got something for everybody. Don't worry. This is the first piece. This one is for like a mild stunt. It's still like more on the comfy side, but this is something that you could even wear in the office. I mean, like some people will disagree, but you can always wear this with like a white long sleeve turtleneck, and that could make it a lot more appropriate. But I would even wear this like on an everyday with like some casual sneakers. I see the vision. This is like very like UK baddie, you know how they have like a sophisticated style, but she fits really good. I love the vest. It like brings in the waist almost, and these are like high-waisted trousers. This is what they look like from the side and the back. These would also be very great with heels, and they are a straight leg. This is fire though. I give this a 9 out of 10. Oh my gosh, you guys, this immediately as I put it on, I was shocked because when I was stepping into it, it was actually a bodysuit. So you guys can see, it looks like a dress, right? Which it is, but it's actually a bodysuit dress. This is very comfy, and I very much appreciate that it's like a little bodysuit under, because I feel like if I bend over, like it won't be a big deal. I love how it has like the little feathers here. It just makes you look a little bit more curvaceous. It has the pearls, it has the sequins, it literally has everything all in one. I had a sunburn on my chest, so don't mind that. If you guys see some peeling, that's because I just came back from Cabo and it was really hot and I got sunburnt. Now I'm dealing with the after effects. And it also has this little mesh panel. Like this little outfit here is like for my stunt girlies. Like we want to make a statement. We want to be the best dress at the Thanksgiving dinner. The back is see-through. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. Like, I just feel like I'm getting ready for like a little dance, you know, like a little salsa or something. But at the same time, I feel like I could wear this at like a wedding rehearsal. But if I'm being honest, I do wear these types of fits like just to dinner. A not so toxic trait, but I do feel like I'm always the overdressed one. It's honestly so insane to me how amazing of dresses Fashionnova has for like affordable prices. This is the type of dress that I always wanted to get when I was younger. When I would like go to the store with my mom, I'd be like, oh my god, like I want that it has like diamonds and everything, like it looks like I'm a dancer. You know those professional dancing shows where they have like all the glitz and the glamour, like the see-through and all of that? Like I always wanted those types of dresses, and they were always like so expensive, but Fashionnova got you with the deals. Like these are fire, and the quality is very good, and just the silhouette that they give you guys is just, it's insane. And the back is covered. It has all this black. It's a middle back zip, so it's very easy in and out. But guys, let's get into this detail. Like, she's so pretty. She's like healing all my fashion wants from when I was a child. It hasn't changed. Guys, I would be lying to you if I didn't tell you that this was like one of the pieces that I was most excited for, that I picked up like for this sale. Oh my gosh. This is what it looks like from afar. It's like a high to low, but like in such a like almost royal feeling type of way, like very elegant. But isn't it so beautiful? Like, wow. But the real star of the show is this arm. Like, I've only seen this type of dress like at award shows. I've always wanted to experience like a type of dress like this, and now she's everything. And this is what she looks like from the back. I don't have much to say to you guys except for the fact that I need you guys to go and do yourself a favor and get yourself this jumpsuit. The way that she hugs the curves, and it's this beautiful perfect blue. It's a ribbed jumpsuit and it's so tight. I love it. It like squeezes you in all the right places. This is definitely for like my comfiest slash soft stunt girlies. A lot of the time when we're going for like professional, like classy looks with like suits and all, they're very uncomfortable. But this one here is like, it looks like a suit, but it's not like an actual like suit. It's like a more comfortable material, but from the outside, they're tricking everybody. Like, it looks like the real deal. It's this hot pink, and the pants almost feel like as stretchy as leggings. And I love how all these like fancy fits are so comfy. Like, they're stretchy, they're breathable, they're not making you feel constricted, or like, none of these fits are those type of fits that are like, oh my god, I can't wait to rip this off and just like go home, crawl into bed. It's like, I want to wear this out all day because it's comfortable and I look really good. This like neon pink, hot pink vibe is just everything to me. It's like CEO Barbie vibes, you know. And we also have some little crystals here on the buttons, and these are the pants. Are just a straight leg trouser, and the plain back, everything is just so cozy, so cute. I have a vibe here for everyone. This fit is definitely something good for like the rich auntie of the family. I'm not gonna lie, I am kind of sad right now though, because I got these jeans that I like gasped when I saw them, and they won't zip up, guys. But I wanted to show you guys anyway because look at how pretty designed these pants are. It's like a bunch of like little studs and like diamonds, and the top that I was just wearing was actually a little two-piece to this pajama set. And I got these specifically because I have been eyeing these for a minute now, and I love Fashion Nova's PJs. Like, they're so comfy, and I love these because they remind me of like the typical like teenager and like the 2000s type vibe, and this is everything I could ask for in a pajama. Hot pink with the XOXO, and the shorts are like little black frilly shorts with hearts on them. But isn't this so cute? Like, this top could definitely be wearable with like some jeans. I feel like it would be like a very 2000s moment. If you guys love your comfort like me and love collecting like little tiny pajamas like this, definitely run over and pick them up while this sale is going on, because these are like the comfiest things ever. Like, I can't even stress that enough. This little baby has to be one of my favorites. Like, look at how it fits. This one's very different from anything that I've like normally seen on this site. It has like a black little ruffly flower, has this little ruffle string here. It has ruffles on the hips, so it gives you like that curve too. But just wait till the side. It's sexy while it's still like from the front looks covered and modest. This is a very pretty dress. I really love everything about it. Like, I just want to go to Paris and take a picture with this in like the front of the Eiffel Tower. It's just sexy but classy, a good mix. Anywhere you turn, you just got some movement going on everywhere. I love it. I'm obsessed. You guys thought she was the moment, but if you guys want to amplify it up and be like the extra one at any holiday, at any event, this is the way you gotta do it. So I got this gorgeous faux fur coat. She's gray, and then we got the black poking through. You can put it on the shoulders later throughout the night. You just look so expensive, but you're like, I got it from Fashionnova, baby. Keep up. This is what it looks like tied. And then we got the pockets with the fur as well. Like, this is so beautiful. Very warm, very beautiful. You can also get like two fits in one, you know. Both of these, you can take like a picture in this, then you can take it off. You got another fit going. Versatility, baby. I was trying on this gorgeous moment here. She reminds me of Belle. Belle was always my favorite princess growing up, and I am obsessed. So this is like a corset looking top, and we have the beautiful satin going across on the waist. It's gonna really like suck you in, and it goes all the way down. It's so elegant, so gorgeous, like the moment. And then when you thought it couldn't get any better, we got the gloves to go right with it, and they're like a sheer material. It's just so beautiful, guys. I'll insert the picture right here so you guys can see what it looks like on. Its jaw-dropping. It's beautiful, but I got it in a size too small. This would fit perfectly, but my booty said no. This dress is literally phenomenal. Like, it's like this forest emerald green, and it fits so pretty, and it has a slit down in the center. It's just everything about it. It hugs your body, and can you believe that this is so form-fitting? And I just like slipped it up from the top. The stretch is real. The back is beautiful. It has like this ruching here in the front. Nothing but perfect, beautiful dresses all throughout this try-on haul. And this is the last piece that I'm showing you guys for today's haul, but I wasn't even doing this on purpose, but I truly saved the best for last. Look at her. This is screaming expensive, and look how sexy it is though. Like, everything just makes you look so hourglass, and this is all like full like black mesh material. This is so cute. This might be my favorite, guys. I like outfits that are like very full of personality, and this is doing it for me. Like, lots of movement. Very cute. That is all for today's try on haul. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Lots more try on hauls coming, guys. I have a lot of fun doing try on videos because I just like playing dress up with you guys, and you guys can tell me which one was your favorite. I know it's gonna be hard, but I want you guys in the comments to tell me what your favorite outfit was, because this one was definitely mine. Don't forget to click in the links down below for all of the items that I showed you guys today, and I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.